Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can use System.out.println in Android Studio to detect some text or object value. So the thing is, you might use just System.out.println to print something, but the thing is Android is not uh, printing this only. It will print other informations like debug information. For example, I can say something like hello world and run this. Now where we can see the output. To see the output, you will see this run option. You have to press that, and here there are a lot of text. How we can find our output? For that we can use search option. If you are using Windows, you can press Control and F. If you are using Mac, you can press Command and F. Here I am going to search for hello world. Okay, that's how we can find something. So use this concept. That means firstly print something that you know, like hello world or your name, and after that you can print some object. Here System.out.println, and inside this I will say false. So you already know that below of this hello world, the next line will be printed. So that's how you can identify the correct position. That you have to check here in the run section. Okay, now here we have hello world, and below of that we have the output that we need to check. So use something above of your requirement here. For example, hello world or your name. So then it will print your output. Okay, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.